St. Francis School Palio is an English medium co-educational school established and conducted by the TOR Franciscans. The heavenly patron of the school is St. Francis of Assisi. It is governed by the Franciscan Society, which is a religious and charitable organization registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. Established on 11th June 2007, the school is situated in the heart of Palio Chowkard, a stretch of beautiful coastline sanctified by the footprint of St. Thomas the Apostle. The ambience of the campus is serene and salubrious, which facilitates a proper environment for educational and conducive atmosphere for the training for life. The institution has a holistic approach to education, whereby the holistic performance of the pupil is reinforced by the Christian and Franciscan ideals of the universal brotherhood, love, peace, joy, and kindness. Exemplary discipline, outstanding academic performance, and excellence co-curricular and extracurricular activities are hallmark of every St. Franciscan student.
Greetings to all. I'm Irene Rose Jaffe, a student of Class 12, St. Francis School, Palio. School life is one of the best memories of a person's life, and I can say that I have had the best experience of my life here. I have been a student in the school for the past 6 years, and I can say that I have had the golden age of my life here. I could learn a new thing every single day here. Besides academics, I could also excel in my co-curricular activities as well. I could also learn new life skills and moral values here. And above all, I could make my new friends here who are genuine by nature. Because of them, I could understand the real meaning of cooperation and caring. They are the ones who made my life unforgettable journey here, filled with full of sweet memories. I will be forever grateful to my parents for selecting the best school for best education. I love my St. Francis School for giving me all the amazing flashbacks of my life here. Thank you.
Every school is special in its own way, but my school is as a heaven that exists on earth. Myself, Mrs. Gisela Scheiben, teacher in St. Francis School, Palio. It's a place that people from different backgrounds and temperaments come together with the purpose to learn. It's a safe space that allows each student to grow every day and reach greater heights. We offer a magical experience when combined with the artistic ways of teaching and studying and the scientific ways of interpreting every chapter. Not only that, the atmosphere in the school is so comfortable that makes everyone feel at home. With wonderful 14 years of experience, I can promise that the management makes sure that each student and staff reach their full potential and encourages everyone to do the right thing always. I feel really blessed and proud to be a part of St. Francis family. So everyone, may this Christmas season bring you closer to all those you treasure in your heart. And wishing you a new year fully loaded with success, happiness and good health. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sister JC, working in St. Francis School as an assistant teacher. On this special occasion, it is my pleasure to share my experience working with the TOR fathers in this institution for the past 6 years. Father Saji as a principal has guided and supported me and given me the space to flourish and to bring out the best in me. I am glad to be part of this institution under the leadership of Father Saji. Now, the institution has taken its shape, and it was Father Saji who was able to upgrade the school from high school to a full-fledged higher secondary school with all its infrastructures. Now I should say about my students who cooperated with me and supported me all these 6 years. I take this golden opportunity to thank my management, teachers, students for their valuable support and their guidance. Thank you.
Dear teachers, parents and my beloved children, a very good morning to one and all. It is my immense pleasure just to introduce SFS Palayu to each and every one of you. We, TOR Franciscan, vision of education is to spread the love of God in the hearts of all people. In the spirit of St. Francis of Assisi, by imparting the values of human dignity, brotherhood, equality, justice, and love of nature. St. Francis School strongly believes in the integral development of the all person, that is family rooted in values with impeccable character. We envisage a new society where men and women are not only highly educated, qualified, skilled, and above all, worthwhile citizens, enabling the motherland to attain greater heights of glory, but also as proud vanguards of prosperity and integrity who will stand against vicious agents of unjust and corrupt practices in the society. At present, we have in this institution almost 1,300 students. The institution is accepted by everybody in this locality, and we, TOR Franciscan Fathers, are really committed in the field of education. I too take this great opportunity to appreciate and remember our great fathers, very especially Father Joseph Chakalakal, the founding father of this institution. He worked so hard, and he will be never forgotten. I too appreciate the remarkable service done by our present provincial, very Reverend Father Augustine Kulapuram, and the service rendered to this institution by Father Kurian Trikolan Mali. I just remember all of them very specially. The teachers working here, they are working so hard and they are committed. They imbibe with the spirit of St. Francis. And we, in coming days, I promise that this citadel of learning will come into heights and it achieves lot of appreciation. So I ask parents to support us admitting the children, and I promise you our commitment and our hard work towards your kids, and we develop them into perfect human beings. Therefore, no doubt you can firmly believe in us, and we are committed. I take this opportunity once again to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you all. Thank you.